Plans Associates Social Media Engagement Program. A new program designed to help plan on social media and a fun contest where you can win great prizes. How does it work? Our target are plans posts on LinkedIn. Find us, follow us, and engage. Our LinkedIn page can be found at linkedin.com/company/planned co. And if you're not following us already, click the follow button. From there, you'll start to see our posts in your LinkedIn feed. Whenever you see one, be sure to engage. Like it, comment on it, or share it. Each interaction has a point value. So likes are 10 points, comments are 20 points, and shares are 30 points. And the associate who scores the most points at the end of each week wins. Gift cards are awarded to the weekly winners, and at the end of the year, all the weekly winners will be entered into a drawing for a special grand prize. Plans Associates Social Media Engagement Program.